morning, everyone. I am bringing you all my very first lunch video. I love watching these videos and seeing what people feed their children for lunch and seeing, yes. That's because I have to re-record because mommy hasn't recorded a YouTube video since Jesus was born. Anyways, I'm just bringing you all my very first lunch video for my kindergartner, and I just want to show you guys what I'm sending her to lunch with today. Today is September the 23rd, I think. Yeah, I think. So she is doing the virtual learning on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, and then she physically goes to school for blended learning on on Wednesdays and Fridays. So she only goes to school physically 2 days out of the week, and it actually just works out for us, works out for my family, and we are just so excited for her to be able to physically go to school with it being her first year of school ever. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I made her. I made her a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, cut it out into a heart shape. Got the idea off Pinterest. You want to say hi?
Like great yummy lunch.
Oh, thank you. Oh, hi. Okay. And then I made her a fruit shish kebab, which I got this idea off Pinterest, and she loves strawberries and oranges and cuties. So I thought that was pretty awesome.
Where is the fish kebabs?
It's right here. Oh, my hand looks so big on the camera. And then I got her some little goldfishes. I don't know what flavor these are. I know they're cheese flavored, but they're like the little princess goldfishes. And then I got her some broccoli and some ranch. So Zanaya, I hope you like your lunch today. You got to eat it all, girl. And then I have her water bottle right here.
With water.
Yeah, she keeps this in her classroom all day. And then
drink it.
You drink it? Okay. And then this is her snack that she's supposed to keep in her classroom.
It is these.
Say Nutri-Grain bar, or Nutri-Grain.
And this.
You got a Go-Go
fruit
squeeze.
snack.
Yep, and fruit snacks. This is her lunch bag.
So I can put my lunch in.
Yep, so you can put your lunch in. I
And
put
this
her a
is
little.
what the front look like.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what the back look like.
Yep.
But on top, it can come off.
Yep, it can come off, so mommy can wash it. So I put her a little card in here. It says, "You're my number one," and then "Mommy and Daddy love you." And yeah, I got this from Dollar Tree. I couldn't find any really cute ones.
This.
Oh yeah, and you got a Capri Sun. So yeah, you guys,
So
this is
the Capri Sun for?
it's for your drink with your lunch. So this is her lunch for today. I guess I will be right back after 3:35. I think that's when she gets out of school. That's what time I'll pick her up. And I'll be back to show you guys what she ate. Hey guys, so I am back. It's 7:15-ish. We just got done eating dinner. And I would have showed this earlier, but I never came straight home. I picked her up from school at 3:35, and I had to do some ripping and running. So yeah, yep, I'm just gonna show you guys. So she literally ate everything except for the broccoli. So I have to figure out a way to incorporate vegetables in her lunches and dinner. And I need to figure out how I can make it yummy for her. I thought that she would be able to just eat it with no problem with the ranch, but yeah. She typically doesn't eat broccoli, but I did try for it today. She likes like corn and string beans, but it was a no for the broccoli. So she goes to school on Friday, so I'll record on Friday what she ate, and then yeah, I'll show you guys on Friday the next meal. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, September the 25th, and today is technically Zanaya's second day of school. And then next week it's the same drill. She'll go to school Wednesday and Friday. Videos 2 times a week. hopefully I get some good feedback on this. This is my first time ever doing this on YouTube. I haven't recorded a YouTube video in so long. So anyways, let's just get right to the video. Eating a ham and cheese sandwich with no mayo. I cut it out in a butterfly shape. Please excuse my twins. She has some pretzels. We have some ranch, strawberries. Okay, sorry. And some broccoli and cheese, which that's just Parmesan sprinkled on top. Hopefully she eats it today. Zanaya, make sure you eat your broccoli, okay? So yeah, that is lunch today. And for her snack, oh, also I'm gonna pack her a Go-Gurt. I don't know if she's gonna eat this after eating all her lunch, but for her snack, she has the Go-Go's. She's got her goldfishes, and then we have fruit snacks in here. And then I have her Kool-Aid jammer to go with her lunch. So this might be a lot of food for her today. I'm not sure. She ate everything on Wednesday, except for the broccoli. So we'll try again for the broccoli. But otherwise, she ate all her snack and all her lunch. And yeah, you want to say hi? So I won't be able to show her after lunch, like what she ate and what she didn't eat today because it's Friday and I usually work late on Fridays. But this is my very first lunch video. I hope you all enjoy. I hope to continue doing these because I love watching them, and yeah. And I got some fun ideas for lunches in October. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.